Oh, different color guy.
In the middle of the ocean, here we are. We ain't catching no fish, but we're catching birds.
This one's cool.
Yeah, look at this guy, dude.
Oh, another
He's gonna go
one.
over George, bro.
Another one.
Another one of George. Like two birds in the middle of the ocean on George's hat. That'd be great.
Look at the meat out of his hand. Fed him out of his hand. Now that is so cool. George, you're right to film it in the sun. Is he catching it?
Yes, catching it.
Look at him hand feeding out.
Where's the other one at? Oh, here he comes.
Put some bread on the deck. He'll come.
Oh, yeah, you know what? You're right, Rick. If you put it this way, you can see the colors and everything. What's up, buddy? Eat that bread. Like he's eating right out of Scott's hand. Hey, that's my head. He's pecking at my head. Through the holes. There he goes again. Those are not worms. I'm bald, dude. Those are little tiny hairs.
The other one's got to come back too, man.
The other one's probably tired too of being out in the ocean.
He is pecking your head, man.
Yeah, he's
starving.
pecking my head.
I
Feels
don't think
good,
he likes-
actually.
I don't think he likes the bread, bro.
No?
Maybe if you wet the bread a little bit,
Where do you go?
you know, like make it soft.
Well,
Oh, he's pecking the back of my head.
Yeah.
dude,
You took off?
ultimate, no, just go easy. You got the ultimate hat, bro. Honestly,
He's chilling on George's
you
head.
got the
bro.
coolest hat, man.
Where'd he go? Oh, there you go. You like my hat, huh? Look, Maya, he likes my stinky hat.
Here, where'd your stuff go?
That was on the deck.
No, he's on the hat.
Did you maybe put it in the cooler?
Oh, look how cool. He went to the top of the hat.
That sandwich that was in the cooler wrap? Where?
The right side of that cooler, the big cooler.
Oh, in the big corner?
See, I told you I didn't touch it. Hey, buddy, you can't build a nest up there. You know that, right? Oh, he left?
So you can't stay on that.